Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn any of your photos, your regular photos, into a beautiful Christmas card using Dreamface app. It's super easy and beginner friendly, and you can do it completely for free. So let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, you can simply download it from the Play Store. And then once installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry about the credits, cause Teamface will give you free weekly credit so you can generate filters without paying anything. And okay, once you log in, you will be on the home page like this, and then just simply tap on AI filter, this one, and then just scroll down until you find the Christmas sections. Merry Christmas, this one, and then just tap on Christmas card. This filter will transform your photo into a festive holiday theme card with Christmas decorations, and then warm lighting and cozy vibes like this. And then next, just select your picture that you want to turn into a Christmas card. You can use a selfie or maybe portrait or even a couple photo. Just feel free to choose any photo that you want. After selecting your photo, just tap on Animate. And okay, like this, here's the result. Your photo is now fully transformed into a Christmas theme card. Just take a look at the details, the background, and then soft lightings, the cozy winter atmosphere, and then Christmas vibe. It really gives your picture that warm holiday feel. And okay, so that's how you can turn your photo into a Christmas card using Dreamface. It's quick, simple, and totally free. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.